this video, we are building a Monday to Friday schedule that looks great on any screen. We will start with a layout that breaks on mobile devices, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Responsive web design is a way of building websites so the layout automatically adjusts to fit the user's screen. Whether they're using a computer, tablet or a phone, this ensures the site always looks good and is easy to use. Now let's jump into the code. We'll start by creating a main div that will act as our schedule container. Inside this container, we'll add 5 day divs, one for each day from Monday to Friday. I'll just copy and paste the first one, but feel free to customize your schedule however you like. Next, let's jump into our CSS. We'll add some basic styling to our body, then to our schedule container class, and then finally to our day class. We will also use the gap property, which controls the spacing between Flexbox and grid items. You'll notice it take effect once we turn on Flexbox on our layout. Flexbox helps arrange items horizontally or vertically in a way that automatically adapts to the screen size. We'll also use Flex Wrap, which allows items to move to a new line if there's not enough space. This keeps things from getting squished or pushed outside of the page. Because most people browse on phones, media queries are a must. CSS media queries let us change styles based on screen size, which is key for responsive design. In our case, when the screen width is 500 pixels or smaller, we'll switch our layout to Flex Direction column. This stacks our days vertically so the design looks better on mobile. We didn't set flex direction earlier because Flexbox defaults to row layout. Now let's check our work using developer tools. Every browser has this. In Firefox, it's under More Tools and you click on Responsive Design mode. If we switch to mobile view, you'll notice the layout still looks broken. That's because we're missing one very important line of code. This line is a meta tag. It provides the browser with extra information about the page. The name equals viewport. This part tells the browser this tag controls the visible area of the screen. This content part tells the browser to match the width of this page to the device and also not to zoom out automatically. Without this, mobile browsers assume the page is a big desktop site and it shrinks everything, which ruins responsive layouts. Once we've added the meta tag to the head section of our HTML file, our schedule becomes fully responsive. Try experimenting by removing and adding different properties to see how it affects your layout. If you're new to web development, check out this playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.